Hi there, students. I've noticed many students have problems with using for and to, and I've explained this to quite a lot of you in your comments. Very often I see things like, these sausages are for eating at lunchtime. No, these sausages are to eat at lunchtime. These books are for giving to the students. No, these books are to give to the students. So the thing I always say is for plus noun, to plus verb. For plus noun, to plus verb. Now, there are some exceptions to this, but the first thing I want you to think about is a gerund is a noun ending ing. So, very often you will see for plus ing, but in fact, this is a noun which is a gerund. The dancing was beautiful. There you go, that's an example, yeah? This music is for dancing. It's actually a noun, although it looks like a present participle. So, to plus verb, for plus noun. Now, there is an exception. When for is a dependent preposition, for example, I apologise for, yeah, you've got to have for after apologise. And in that case, then you break this to plus verb, for plus noun. I apologise for being late, yeah. I asked I asked for noun. I asked for a large coffee. Yeah, I'm going to pay for your eating everything in the restaurant. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for your writing of the essay, okay? Yeah, so when the for is a dependent preposition, it could be with a noun, it could be with a verb, then you can use the ing. But always, again, if you can, use a noun. Yeah, if you use a noun with for, it's going to sound much better. Yeah, because normally for a reason, for a person. Okay, and that's the idea of this, the difference between the two. So when you've got a choice, to plus verb, for plus noun, when you haven't got a choice because it's a dependent preposition, then if you can, for plus noun. But if you can't, then for plus verb, ing, a present participle. And be careful of gerunds, which are nouns, ending in ing, and try to see the difference between those and present participles. So, enough. That's quite a hard thing. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. For plus noun, to plus verb, unless it's a dependent preposition.